Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Today we're going to be doing another traditional Guyanese recipe as usual, and that's going to be for potato salad. So a lot of people make potato salad a slightly different way, each in their own way, and sometimes they use eggs, sometimes they don't use eggs, sometimes they will omit other ingredients. But this one we're going to make in here today. We find this one is very tasty, and it's more traditional to what is made in Guyana. So for this one we're going to be using some potatoes, of course. We're going to be using eggs, scallion, celery, also some frozen vegetables, mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, mustard, and that's it. So normally, as usual, you would make this to go with your fried rice and fried chicken and so on. So that's all the ingredients we're going to be needing for this recipe, my friends. So let's get started with our potato salad recipe. So let's begin to make this potato salad, my friends. We're going to start by putting some water to heat up to boil our potatoes. And it doesn't require any specific amount of water. You're just boiling potatoes, right? So then after, we're going to start peeling our potatoes. And we are using 3 potatoes, as you can see, for our salad. So now we're going to cut up our potatoes. So you're going to cut them to the size you want in your salad. So this size here is ideal for your potato salad. So we're going to cut all of our potatoes in these sizes. So our water is boiling, my friends, as you can see, so we're going to wash and add our potatoes. So we're going to add some salt to that. And now we're going to add our 3 eggs to boil. So while our potatoes and the egg is boiling, we're going to cut up our other seasonings that we have. So as I was saying, my friends, this potato salad goes with your fried chicken or fried rice, and even you make a meal with dal puri and so on, dal puri and fried rice, chicken curry. You would usually have some potato salad on the side. So we've now cut up our celery and our scallions. We have our mixed vegetables there. So with our potato salad that we're making today, my friends, we're going to be doing some barbecue chicken as well. So we have our chicken all washed and ready to be seasoned now. So we've mixed our seasoning for our barbecue chicken. And we're going to mix this in now and let it sit a little bit to marinate. So the recipe for our barbecue chicken will be a different video, guys. So our potatoes should be done boiling now. We're going to check them and see. There you go. So we're going to remove our eggs first. So right after you pour your potatoes in here to strain, you want to run some cold water over it. You want to prevent it from cooking any further. You don't want them to fall apart in your salad. And now you have to let this cool completely before you move forward to mixing the other stuff into your potatoes to make your salad. You want them to cool off, to not to be so soft. So our potatoes finished boiling, guys, and it's cooling off. So we're going to peel our eggs in the meantime. Get these ready. So we tasted our potatoes, my friends, and it needs a bit more salt. So we're going to add a bit more now. So you're going to do the same thing when you're making yours. You're going to taste your potato after boiling. see if we need to adjust the salt. So now we're going to add some black pepper. Some mustard. And now for our mayonnaise. So we can add our butter here too. So this is our scallions now. Celery. And our mixed veggies. So some people, they don't use the mixed vegetables. Sometimes they don't have them. So what they do, they buy one of those tins of our corn, just the corn, and add it to the salad. And that's good enough too. So when you're making your salad, guys, it should not be too thin and runny. It should be thick and like this here. So you're going to cut your eggs up like so. And you see that, how good that's looking, and look at the consistency of that. It's not soft and runny. So as usual, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box with the measurements. So we're gonna go barbecue our chicken, guys, and then we're gonna have our meal. So that's it for this recipe for our potato salad. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post any new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.